slime lane, I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up guys? IRV Stuff back here once again, and today we're going to be taking a look at another pair of shattered backboard ones. This time it's from a new seller on Instagram that I found, so I decided to try a pair of shoes from him. So before I get into it, if you're new to the channel, show some love, drop a like, turn on notifications, and last but not least, subscribe to the channel. And as well, follow my Instagram, link is in the description at IRV Stuff TV. With that being said, man, let's just get right into it. These took about 2 weeks to get here. I was sent QC pictures prior to shipment, so always a good thing. And yeah, that's pretty much it for that. Packaging was good, double boxed, no bubble wrap, but just double boxed, just fine. Package came just fine. So yeah, man, let's get into it. Let's not make the video longer than it has to be. So here is the information for the seller. So the website's right there, hwp0551.x.yupo.com, and the Instagram is at Liyvdg1, and then the WhatsApp is right there as well. So yeah, there's all that. I don't condone buying any of this stuff, by the way, guys. You guys do what you want with your money, like I do with mine. Like I always say, video is just for educational purposes only, just to show you guys what you get if you were to buy from sites such as this. So with that out of the way, let's get into the shoes themselves. For the shoes, obviously you gotta take a look at the box real quick. So it is just a regular Jordan 1 box. You know, nothing crazy, nothing special. These are size 9.5. Air Jordan 1 retros. Yeah, if you guys see anything off, let me know. But that's pretty much it. Regular Jordan 1 box. Paper inside. There was no extras with this, just the StockX, or not even the StockX stuff. So yeah, throw that to the side, and we'll take a look at the shoes now. So as y'all can see, you do get an extra set of laces. Get those cocaine white laces in there. Shoe itself does look good. There is no weird smell. Pretty similar, honestly, to the last pair reviewed on the channel. Basically the same, if I'm being honest. So yeah, y'all can take a look for yourselves, obviously. But stitching seems on point. Wings logo right here, nice and glossy, looks good. Rest of the shoe looks good. Good leather as well, nice and soft, especially the leather here. Y'all can kind of see the texture there, how it follows my finger. Midsole paint's nice and crisp, no real bleeding anywhere, like from the orange to the cream or sail, or from the sail to the orange, so that looks good. Other side of the shoe, y'all can see, looks proper there. Bottom of the shoe, nice and clean as well. Just, I mean, kind of hard to mess up. It's just one color, but nice orange there. Got the insole. Well, here's the tongue itself. Doesn't come laced. It does come with a set of black laces. Not fully laced, but they are in the shoe. And then you got the tongue with the cream and orange tag there. Straight stitching. Inside the shoe itself, got the shoe tree, set of laces, of course, shattered backboard insole in there, and then get the size tag right there. So yeah, I'm not gonna go super in depth on these, just kind of want to see a quality comparison, and the quality looks on point, honestly. So that's the right shoe. Left shoe's right here. Same thing though. Looks good. These are for a friend of mine, not my own. I should have another pair coming in, one last pair, because he wanted 3 total in different sizes. So yeah, that is on the way. It's getting real hot in this room right now, so I'm gonna try to speed up the video, you know, gotta get the AC going at some point. But yeah, so same deal though going on. Nike Air in orange on that cream tag. Size tag right there as well, just so y'all can see that. That. Yeah. And so, yada yada yada. So, yeah, man, that's pretty much it. Not gonna really go over too much else. Not much else to really talk about with this shoe. Pretty simple. So, let me know your guys' thoughts in the comment section down below. Whoa, some guys like skirting his car outside. Let me know your guys' thoughts in the comment section down below. With that being said, though, guys, enjoy the rest of your day. Stay tuned for more heat, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.